Modern tablet size is bit fancy, so it is just the size ranges between 7 inches and 10, but the common ones are 9.7 being being the best. Of all the modern tablet computers, the most popular is the iPad, invented by Apple in 2010. Its screen is 9.7 inches. Now other companies have also invented theirs, of course, in competing with Apple. If a tablet computer's main purpose is to read electronic books, which are known as e-books copied from the internet, the tablet computer is called e-book reader. Okay, it's called e-book reader. Some of the e-books, of course, Kawa has them. You'll look at geography, look at history, economics, mathematics, and many others. Another company known as Barnes and Noble invented an e-book reader called the Nook. The largest e-book selling company known as Amazon invented an e-book reader called the Kindle, but the Kindle is substandard. Its screen isn't touch sensitive, so the screen case includes a tiny keyboard. But of course, Amazon has changed the Kindle's genre, has changed to be a better one. The smallest size of a personal computer is called a handheld computer, or palm top computer, or pocket computer, because it fits in the palm of your hand and in your pocket. It's about the size of a pocket calculator, or a cell phone, or a pack of cigarettes. Why am I using the example of cigarettes? But forgive me for those who don't smoke. It is its screen size is under 7 inches, with the most popular being like 3.5. The typical handheld computer comes with programs that help you to jot notes, store phone numbers, and keep track of appointments and to-do lists. That kind of handheld computer is called personal digital assistant, abbreviated as PDA. If the PDA also includes a built-in cell phone, it's called a smartphone. Now the fanciest smartphone is called the iPhone, invented by Apple thanks to Steve Jobs, who died last year, but he did a good job in the coming up with an iPhone. Any computer that can be carried in one hand is called a portable computer. A modern portable computer is therefore a laptop computer, or a modern tablet computer, or a handheld computer. Each modern portable computer includes a rechargeable battery, so when unplugged from a wall socket, it keeps running for several hours. Traveling with a portable computer is called mobile computing, and the computer being transported is called a mobile computer. Now, during the 19th century, of course that's the previous century, computers were divided into 3 categories. We had what's called the max computer, which consumed a whole room and typically cost about $300,000 and $2 million. There was another one called the mini computer, which would fit in a room's corner and typically cost about $10,000 to $300,000. Another one is called a microcomputer, which would fit on a desk or a lap or a hand and was embedded in a tiny device, and it would cost about $10 to $100 to $10,000. So that's how they were classified. Currently we're still using microcomputers, of course. Now let's say something about max computers, or mainframe computers. So the max computers were the fastest computers, okay, and the fastest one was called a supercomputer. But now microcomputers, which cost about $10,000 or less, are fast enough to handle most calculations. So if you need a computer system that is extra fast, you just need to add more memory, you just need to buy more components. So there may not be any need for having a mainframe or supercomputer, apart from maybe those organizations which have funds and a lot of work for that. But the ones we're having in institutions are equally fast. So study that picture of supercomputer, try to analyze it better, and understand the way it works. It is very, very important. And so other personal computers, of course, there are two categories. There are the Mac and the IBM. So iMac, all-in-one computer. So there are two popular types of personal computers. These were IBM compatible and Macintosh computers. The first personal computer was produced by IBM in 1981 and was called IBM PC. So here you see the picture of Steve Jobs, rest in eternal peace, the founder of Mac. Okay, so you see a picture of Steve Jobs launching the first Mac with a graphic user interface in 1984. So in 1984, Apple Computer introduced the Mac or Macintosh, and it became the first widely sold personal computer with a graphical user interface, pronounced as GU. Although both IBM and Apple computers are personal computers, the term PC came to refer to IBM or IBM compatible personal computers. Apple now produces a Macintosh computer called the iMac, which is a desktop computer that features an all-in-one design. So this means that all the internal components are located behind the monitor, rather than in a tower case which is customary with the desktops. So you just buy it as it is, and it has all the components on it. What about the IBM PC? IBM invented the PC or personal computer way back in 1981. All PCs released since then are in many ways compatible with the original design, though many extensions have been made. So the term PC compatible relates to PCs manufactured by other companies other than IBM, which are compatible with the traditional PC specifications. In the early days, most PCs ran an operating system called DOS, or Disk Operating System. These days, most PCs are running a version of Microsoft Windows and many other services. Many other softwares are running very well on PCs, and the only difference is that Mac or Macintosh computers are not compatible. They use their own keyboard, they use their own software. They cannot fit on any other, while IBM fits on anything. You can install their Microsoft programs, Linux, and many other.
Seek the face of the Lord. Seek first God's kingdom. Seek the face of the Lord. Seek first God's kingdom. Seek the face of the Lord. Seek first God's kingdom. Seek the face of the Lord. Seek first God's kingdom. Meaning, there is a simple way above time and space via which mankind can